Welcome back to Learning with a Difference School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script for Martyr's Day, which is on 30th January. Somebody said that you will never do anything in this world without courage. Our nation owes a debt to the indomitable courage of its fallen heroes that we can never fully repay. Since our nation is free from British rule, we continue to enjoy peace, security, and prosperity. Heartiest morning to each and everyone present here. This is Minakshi from class 9 presenting school assembly on the occasion of Martyr's Day. When a martyr dies, he leaves behind an example for generations to follow. Yes, when a martyr dies, he leaves behind an example for generations to follow. Warm wishes on the occasion of Shahid Divas. And before we start today's morning assembly, let us pay homage to all those who bore all the torture and pain but never gave up because their nation always came first. Let us honor to those who fought and died but never surrendered themselves to the enemy. And this day marks the death anniversary of the father of the nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. And we are celebrating the contributions of Mahatma Gandhi to India's fight for independence. Let's pray to God for the eternal souls and get ready for prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes, start prayer. And after prayer and pledge. People of the country look up to the freedom fighters with respect for their patriotism and the love they had for their motherland. The amount of pain and hardships that they endure to achieve their goal cannot be described in mere words. They are the reason we live in a free country. My dear friends, January 30th is observed as Martyr's Day in the memory of Mahatma Gandhi, who continues to inspire us in all facets of life, and his teachings are still imparted to young people and old generations. Let us take more inspirations from Mahatma Gandhiji's thought. And for today's thought, I would like to invite on stage Mihil from class 8th. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mihil. Thought of the day is: you must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is like an ocean. If a few drops of the ocean are dirty, the ocean does not become dirty. Thank you and have a nice day. Thanks a lot, Mihil. After India became independent in 1947, Gandhiji continued to promote peace and brotherhood in the nation and carried on his work to preach non-violence. This earned him the title of Father of the Nation, and he became famous for his peaceful policies across the world. Let us know more about Gandhiji, and next I would like to invite on stage Nimi from class 9th to deliver a speech. And thank you very much, Nimi. Many people struggled for Indian independence and many people lost their lives during the freedom movement. But when we talk about Indian independence, Gandhiji's name comes to our mind first. The person who freed our nation without even a thought of violence is our Mahatma Gandhi. His simplicity and love towards others made him closer to the common man. Let's test our knowledge through the next and that is GK quiz. For this, I would like to invite on stage Sanyam from class 9th. And after GK quiz, thank you very much, Sanyam, for testing and enhancing our knowledge. Gandhiji preached universal brotherhood, service to humanity, simple living, deep commitment, and the values of truth and non-violence through his life. Dear friends, we all adore our country and have a strong bond with this historic land given by our forefathers, our freedom fighters. And with this, let's remember and honor the sacrifices of the great martyrs. Nothing stirs up emotions better than music, so I invite on stage Shreya from class 9th to sing a song. Thank you very much, Shreya. After teacher's speech and national anthem, let us pause for a moment to rededicate ourselves to the core values which Bapu stood for. Most importantly, the need to rise above casteism, communalism, regionalism, and provincialism of any kind, and commit ourselves to the ideal of non-violence. Although he never lived to see a united India, Gandhiji's teachings influence the world with powers of non-violence and love. And here we end today's morning assembly. And thank you very much to all of you for your cooperation. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.